So this evening we're flying from Christchurch into Auckland. We've just passed Pokham on the way in for Daily 6 Alpha arrival. Runway 23 left at Auckland. Ex Tropical Cyclone Gabby is hitting Auckland pretty hard at the moment. Visibility is down to 2.2 nautical miles and fully overcast at 1,000 feet with overcast and broken cloud above that. So it should be a fairly interesting flight into Auckland. I'll be doing an ILS onto runway 23 left. Just past Davy on the way to Answer and descending through 10,300 feet to level off at 9,000. We're doing a standard star approach onto runway 23 left, which means it will be descending in steps down to about 3,000 feet in order to intersect the ILS localizer. So the cloud is now getting pretty thick and dense. We've just passed Answer and going on to Zorba, so we're now descending down to 6,000 feet by the star profile. So we're now on our way down to Sabav and descending to 4,000 feet. At Sabav we'll turn onto heading of 320 in order to intersect the ILS on runway 23 left. Cloud is still showing pretty thick, so sadly I don't think you'll see very much until we get pretty close to the runway. So we're now at Sabav and I'm turning onto heading of 320 and descending down to 3,000. Shouldn't be too long before we actually intersect the localizer. Heading is now 241, so I'm starting my turn on to finals and the ILS should be coming in fairly soon. We're at 3,000 feet, so levelling off. Got a few lights ahead of us now, so there is a bit of visibility. ILS is coming in, so level at 2,900, 100 below. Going a little bit through the centre line, but we'll correct that. So glide slope is coming in now, and we're on the localizer. Should see the runway fairly soon, although visibility is probably too reduced to actually see the runway. But we can certainly see the lights of Manukau ahead of us and below us. Auckland traffic, Papa Del Charlie 172 is established on ILS runway 23 left, 10.8 miles to run. There is other traffic at Auckland, I can hear them on the radio, but I'm not quite sure where they are exactly. So I'm bringing the flaps down and bringing the landing gear down. Slightly to the right of the localizer and above the glide slope, so correcting for that. So we've got 3 greens and full flaps. Speed is 140 knots. It's quite a strong wind from the left, so I'm probably needing to correct quite a bit for that. At the moment I'm pointing about 12 degrees off the runway heading, and the localizer's not moving very much, and I'm still above the glide slope quite a bit. 5.1 miles to run. Quite a high rate of descent at the moment, just to bring that localizer in. Right, I'm on the glides, on the localizer, and the glide slope is starting to come in, and you can now see the runway just coming in top right. Auckland traffic, Papa Del Charlie 172 on finals, 4 miles to run. Yeah, that's quite a strong wind there. Really having to point the nose away from the runway to keep it on the localizer. So I'm going to be crabbing it in. Quite a lot of turbulence as well. Papa Del Charlie 172 landing runway 23 left. Whoa, look at that crosswind. And now correcting. Speed coming back, 60 knots, closing the landing brake and putting the flats up. And exiting at about Alpha 7. Auckland traffic, Papa Del Charlie 172, clear runway 23 left, taxiing to gate 33. to Auckland. And there we go.